So what happened was I recently faced a problem connecting with OpenVPN of TryHackMe. Let's see what was the problem. So right now I'm not connected. If I was downloading the configuration file from any of the server, I was not able to connect with it. So right click open terminal here, and in here I will use the command sudo openvpn and then your file name. If you press enter, you will see that it will keep try to reconnect and will not gives you the message initialization sequence complete. It will not matter however many files you will download from the TryHackMe server, it will not connect. Okay, I faced this issue yesterday. So what I did was, after having so many retries, I copied this line and paste it on Google to see if there are some solutions available, and I found a link from the official TryHackMe, and this is the link. So I have found this solution on the TryHackMe. So it says, have you recently installed or updated OpenVPN or find that it is complaining of mismatched decipher? Yes, that is the issue. We are currently looking at the best solution for this. However, this change only affect OpenVPN 2.6. So let's see what is the version of OpenVPN on our own system. So you have to do this OpenVPN, then minus minus version to check if this applies to you. Yes, the version is 2.6.0, and this is what it was talking about. So am I affected? You are affected if you are running this version. Yes, we are running, and this is the current release in Kali's apt repository. So we are using the Kali, so we are facing this issue. So how we can solve it? So OpenVPN has released an updated client which is now incompatible with configuration files that our VPN server are generating. This Kali's OpenVPN is not compatible with TryHackMe server. So how can we solve it? So either you can run this command, or you can replace this value in the OpenVPN file to from cipher to data dash ciphers. So let's see the command if we can change it. If I will open it, right click, open with any notepad editor that you have, and you see that there is a line cipher. You need to change it to data dash ciphers. Data dash ciphers. Save this file, close it, and use the same command again, sudo openvpn, and then the file name. Press enter. Let's see if we can connect now. You see it shows you the initialization sequence completed message. Let's see our IP address. The IP address is 10.13.18.67. We need to confirm it from here. If we refresh it, 10.13.18.67. So we are now successfully connected with the TryHackMe's network. So it was a small fix, but it took a lot of my time yesterday, so I thought to share it with you. Thank you very much.